Alright guys, so I've got something a little bit special here. Received this a couple of days ago. Thought I'd quickly get an unboxing done because it is pretty interesting and I'm really impressed with this one. This is just going to be an unboxing, first impressions, not going to be a full review. But before we get into that, quickly show you what I've got on wrist. So I've actually got my first ever Vostok here, and the unboxing of this one will be coming up not long after this video. But getting back to this, I was pretty impressed when I opened this up. It is a really nice box. So try and get this out without dropping it. Get that out of the way. And as you can see, we've got a nice suede top on this. And it is like a proper solid wooden box, which is really nice. And it's also suede on the bottom as well, so you don't need to worry about it scratching tables and stuff when it's on it. So let's open it up. So I haven't actually got anything in this box other than the little tag, but it will normally come with a warranty card as well. But because I received this for free, I don't have to give it back. It's like a review piece, I guess. That wasn't included for some reason. So put that back in there. Get this out of the way. And here is the watch itself. And let's zoom in on that dial, because that's what it's all about. And as you can see, we've actually got a meteorite dial on this, with also quite a lot of blue AR coating on that crystal. Some people might not like the fact that it's blue. Doesn't really bother me. I think it just adds to the overall effect of the dial, to be honest. But I'm really loving this one. I just absolutely love that dial. And like I say, my first ever meteorite dial. I kind of see what the fuss is about now. Depending on what light it's in, it can go anywhere from like a grey black colour to like a purple kind of hue, and then with that blue AR you get little bits of green kind of blue as well. It just looks great. So zoom back out and show you the rest of the watch. So it's quite chunky. It kind of reminds me, the case, of a Tudor Black Bay. Similar kind of look. So simple brushing on the side, nice high polished edge, chamfered, and then brushed again on top. Got a really nice dome on that crystal. When we get to the full review, I'll be testing all the specs, whether that's sapphire and other bits and pieces and measurements and all that. It's got a nice logo on there as well, on the crown. In fact, going back to the dial quickly, I forgot to mention as well, all the branding and everything is at the top, which is unusual. So you've got the Aries Gold, in fact it's automatic, 200 metres, which you'd normally have at the bottom, above the 6, so a little bit different. But I don't mind it, quite like it. And then we've got that date cut out with the 3. But as for the rest of it, the strap on this, I've only had it on for a day, but it is really nice, really comfortable. So, Italian leather, Aries Gold branding on, and it's also quick release as well. And as you can see, if I can get it that way around, we've actually got an NH35 movement in this. And also, I noticed as well, just before, this is actually limited edition. So apparently, this is number 45 of 1,000. So again, just adds that little bit of something special. Nice touch. So, overall first impressions, I'm really liking this. Really, really impressed. It is all about that dial, obviously. But I think the overall package is quite a nice one as well. So if you're interested in checking out this watch, make sure you're subscribed if you want to do the full review. Also, I'll leave the link down in the description to their website as well. But that's it for now. Until I get the full review done. Like I say, first impressions, I'm really liking it. And also we've got the branding on the buckle there as well. Oh, actually quickly show you the bezel action. So there's a little bit of play in it. Not the best ever, but I don't mind it too much. Obviously I would have preferred it to be a bit tighter, but it lines up well, that's the main thing. I'm not really going to be moving it all that much, because I'm not going to be going diving with it. It's definitely a desk diver for me. But that's it for this one, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.